Greetings, gentlemen, ladies. Welcome to this video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to really build a website on GroovePages, how to build your pages, how to build your funnels, and how to really use this platform as a website builder, as a funnel builder, and use it for your affiliate marketing, use it for your own use it for your business, whatever you want to do, you can use it because online you need a page. Okay, so I'm very excited about this because I haven't slept in like 15 hours because of how excited I am about GroovePages, GrooveFunnels, and I've learned a lot about it, and I want to share that with you in this video. Okay, and at the end of the video, I'm also going to share with you how you can get. By the way, this on this page, it's all what you see here. I got the platinum offer for life, basically, because they're still in beta, as you see here. But they have a lot of promises that's coming their way. I believe this is going to be the best. This is going to be the next best thing. This is going to be the best software out there, especially for websites, especially for everything they have going on. It's going to save me thousands of dollars because I don't have to worry about integrating everything. I don't have to worry about all these autoresponders. I don't have to worry about Vimeo. I don't have to worry about every webinar. I don't have to worry about so many different things. As you see, I don't have to worry about Shopify, and there's so many different things that comes with getting the pro plan. I mean, not the pro, the platinum package. And right now they're still offering the lifetime offer. So I mean, you could get the basic plan; is completely free, but you could also get if you get the basic plan, you're not gonna get as much, but if you get the platinum plan, you get much more. And in the end of the video, I'm going to share with you how you can get it for free, as well as get more bonuses on top of that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on GroovePages here. And I was kind of working on something here. So, but when you come in here, this is kind of like your canvas. And this canvas is basically, your different websites that you're going to have. It's like the different funnels that you're going to have. If you have ClickFunnels, then you're used to funnels. Well, every single funnel is basically a different website, right? Well, same thing over here with GroovePages, or same thing even with Kartra. You're gonna have, your different sites laid out over here. So what we're gonna do is gonna come over here and click on New Site. And the first thing you're gonna notice is you're gonna notice these tags over here, and these tags are going to bring up the relevant pages or the relevant things that you can utilize for your business. As you see here, you have categories here as well. You can choose different types of categories, different types of pages inside these categories. And so it's very organized. You see, for coaches, for a contest giveaway, for a course, for a cross sell, for a down sell, for an ebook, for a download, so for anything, for blogging, anything you want to do, like the template is already there. So you don't have to worry as much. As you see, they have things for complete sites as well that they're slowly building up here as well. They have funnels that it's slowly going to get better, and then templates that you could save for yourself. Let's start off with single pages here, and as you can see, they have so many different things going on here. You can hover over, you can preview it, you can select it to start working on it. You can do so many different things. What we're going to do is, because it's more fun that way, right? Let's go ahead and just click on blank template. Let's name this something. So let's just name this Lions and Eagles. Okay, just for fun. Lions and Eagles. Let's start building this website real quick and see what we can do and what kind of functionality it has and what kind of control we have in building the website the way we want to build it, okay? Without having to know code. So as you can see, as you come in, this is a blank canvas to create your page, to create your website, to create your page inside the website. Okay, so there's a few things you want to notice here. One, on the left side, you're going to have different elements, different things that you can add to the page, kind of like your toolbox. You can grab it and just throw it on here on the canvas, kind of like your different paints. If you're on a canvas and you're painting something, you can just grab it and just throw it on here, right? So this is what this is for your canvas, what you're about to create here. So you have blocks, you have elements, you have pages, you have funnels, you have pop-ups. So we're going to talk about that in a bit. Also, on the top here, you'll notice you have different viewpoints for a person that's going to come and view your website, right? So whether they're viewing it from a desktop, whether they're viewing it from a laptop, maybe an iPad, maybe this is supposed to be a smaller mobile, I think, and then this is supposed to be mobile. Okay, so let's just go back to, let's work on this one over here. I like working on this, is just I like looking at the whole picture. And first place we want to start off is blocks, because with blocks, so there's different ways you can start off, but if I want to start off with this page, I can start off with blocks, and blocks are just like different sections. You can think of blocks as different sections. Okay, just like on ClickFunnels they have different sections. This is like different sections within the page of your website. I'll show you what I mean. So I can go over here and click on, these are design blocks, blocks that have already been created, right? We also have wireframes. These are other things going on I didn't get much of a chance to go through, but we'll just go through design blocks, and we can just click on all blocks. And as you can see, these are different templates and different things that are already created for us to just click or drag and drop to start building our website. So let's go down and let's see, what pops out and what we can utilize to create our website. Okay, so we go down, and I kind of like this one right here. So I'm just going to take it and grab it and just drop it down right there. And as you can see, like just like that, as I just grabbed it and just dropped it, I now have this, this block, and it's ready. And as you can see, it's very functional. I'm just moving around. It's like a very professional website already. Okay, that's great. Now let me just go ahead and play around with more blocks. Maybe I want to add more blocks to this. Okay, and let's try to stay relevant. Let's just take this one right here. Let's just drag it down and put it right there. And now as you can see, the we have the first block, we have this block. Now let's say we want to add something in between, okay? Maybe we want to add this thing in between. Just add it right there. Okay, and well, this actually went, so what happens is if something goes below, or it's now in the position that you want, what you can do is you can just go hover on the corner, and it'll just bring everything up. Let's do that again. Let's just bring that here. Hold on. I like this one. Let's just bring that here. Click it and drag it. Okay, and it's important to remember this is still in beta, so there may be some bugs in it, but because of the potential and because of the lifetime offer, it's a no-brainer. Okay, so you get that. Let's just think of something else here. Let's get, so what we can do, we can exit out of blocks here, click on blocks, and now we can choose. We can get alert bars, call to action, checkout forms, contact. So now it's organized and categorized for us to use and drag and drop so that we can, do stuff with it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and choose gallery, and let's just choose this here and just drag and drop right there. And within a few seconds, it's, as you can see, this website is already built pretty much slowly, and this has been dragged and dropped. Now let's say, for example, what I want to do, I want to add a footer, because every website should have a footer, right? So I could just go up here and look for footers, and now I have all these designs and templates for my footer. So I can just grab this, so I'll put it right there, and now the footer has been created and has been dragged and brought onto the page, and it's right there. If I wanted, let's say I want to change this logo, I could just click on this. When I click on it, I could click on configure, and I could choose an image. So let me just go ahead and choose an image, upload an image, and let's try to upload an image here. This is, this is some sales that I got for um, Groovefunnels already as an affiliate, 40% recurring. So it's very exciting. You can do that as well. I can show you, this is the best time to do it because this offer is about to blow up. And my logo, for example, I could just take any picture and just use it for logo. I just don't have anything at the moment. So I'll just choose this picture right here. And as you can see, this has been, now I just upload it, and now it has been uploaded. And I just click on it, and I could just select it, and then now I get to choose the image. If I choose the image, it's going to replace. Select, update. When I update it, it's going to replace whatever that was over there. But now let's say I know I regret doing that. I could just do that, and boom, it went right back. And here's another thing that I found really cool as well. Let's go back to blocks here, and I believe it was blocks, or is in elements. And there's a maps option, which is I found is just amazing, and it's this is insane. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Google Maps here and just gonna drag it right here, right there, right. And so now that Google Maps is there, right, which is great. Now what I can also do, I can click on this and I could configure it, and I could input an address here. Okay, so for example, I could put 123 Main Street, and I could update it. And as you can see, it just automatically updates. Isn't that cool, right? It's so amazing. It's just insane. It's just insane. Okay, so so far the functionality and everything that um, the potential is, it's amazing. Okay, so that's what happened over here. Let's just remove this because it doesn't look that great for this page. Let's just remove that. Okay, right now it's looking decent. We added a footer. Now let's say, for example, okay, this is a page of the website and we have a button here. Let's say we want to add another page to the same website. Let's say that you're selling a car and you want to add, when they click on the book now button, you want them to go to the next page, like just like in your funnel, right? Very simple. You can go to your pages here and you can click on add page. And when you click on add page, you can get templates. You can get pages from the web, or you can blank canvas. Let's just take templates, just to do this quicker. And I can go down and just choose from many of the templates that GroovePages has, Groovefunnels has already created for us, and it's ever growing. And so, let's just choose this one. I know it doesn't coincide, but it makes sense. And what I can do is I can go ahead and I can change between the pages just by this menu section right here and work on them just like that. And this is amazing because I come from ClickFunnels, and in ClickFunnels I have to click the back button and then I have to change it, or I have to work on two tabs here. Let's go here, and it's very easy. Look how fast I was able to change. Okay, I could also go on pages, go over here, rename, and I could name this protein. Okay, or I can rename this health. Okay, and this is exciting. Okay, this is why I can't sleep, because it's so amazing. Okay, so I have that. Now let's just create more pages here. Let's just get another template, and just for the sake, let's just choose let's choose this one. And we'll just name this, let's go back to pages and we'll name this um, yoga. Very simple. Okay, and you'll see where I'm going with this, because this, what I'm about to show you right now, is going to be very amazing. It's going to be changed. It's going to change everything. Okay, and let's add one more page here. Okay, one more page, and let's just choose this one. And we'll name this VSL. Okay, I know it's not making sense, but I know you understand what I'm saying. VSL. Okay, and now, so we have four different pages, and again, what we can do, we can just navigate between them by just clicking on it from here, going back to yoga. If I want to change something, I could do that. That's amazing, right? Another thing I can do is I can take this page. Let's say, for example, I don't want people to see the VSL page from the footer. Okay, so, I mean from the navigation. So for what do I mean? So let's say if I go to elements here, or blocks, I go to elements too, but I go to blocks, and let's go to navigation bars. And navigation bars, I have options to choose from many different things. And let's go to home, because we're going to have the navigation working from the home page, right? People come to your home page most of the time. So we'll go to blocks and let's go to navigation bars, and let's just choose this one right here and drag it right there. It'll come up. Hold on, what happened? Let me just grab it again. There you go. And now it should be dragged on top of it. As you can see, it has the footer, I mean the navigation, right? And what's amazing is that the navigation is according to my pages. As you see, home, health. Now look at what's amazing as well. Look, I move this, boom. It's so interactive. It moves quick. It moves along with it. And you see what just happened there? Look, I just had this page separate, right? Health. You see where health is, right? Now let's say, for example, I don't want health like that. I want it to be under yoga, right? Or I want yoga under health. I could take yoga and I could just kind of indent it under health, and boom, now it's under the health. Isn't that cool, right? It's so amazing, and I'm so blown away by how amazing this is. And so let's say, for example, I don't want people to see the VSL page. What can I do? I can grab it and take it under hidden pages. Now that page is hidden, and they can only get there if I have a link to it or something like that. They can't just go there from the navigation. Okay, so far so exciting, right? So all of this is, very possible with GroovePages as well. Now, it's that's not all. Let's go ahead and let's go and let's say, for example, I want to change this writing. What I can do, I can just hover over it. I can change this. I can change the color. I could change the size. I can change the way it's formatted. I could hyperlink it over here. I could rotate it different ways. I could cross it out if I want, right? So I could do so many different things. I could uncross it. So much functionality over here. Also on the right side, because I just talked about the left side and we still have many more to talk about, but on the right side, if I click on something, I'm on a mode where I can have even more control, even more functionality, and I can do more with this exact this basic element that I'm working with. So for example, if I want to work with this, I go under background and I could change the color of the background. Let's say I want to change it to green, and now as you can see it turns green. Now if I want to change transparency, I can change transparency. Okay, let's say I want to undo that. I could undo that real quick. I could undo that. Okay, you'll see. Let's just save time here. So you see that as well. Another thing that's cool is, let's say for example, I'm working on this, but I want to work on the one that's above that, meaning the section above that. Let's click on this, and boom, now I'm working on the section above that, and I could go to background, and I could change that color to orange. Now you see. So when you change that, when you just click on this, it works on the section above that. I could click on this, it copies it over again. So now you have two of those. Okay, I can go back. I can go back again to undo what I did. I can go back again, and I undid everything I did over there. So that's how you update that as well. You can hyperlink it. You can do all of that kind of stuff that you want to do to improve your business or whatever you want to do. So that's one of the things. You could add a border to it. Okay, you could add animation like delay. For example, you could add a delay for different seconds. You could add like a bounce. When someone sees the thing, they see a bounce. They see a pulse, right? So you see the functionality of this. Like I'm so blown away because you don't get this in ClickFunnels as what I came from. Okay, so that's so far what you're able to do. This is just a little bit of a hint of what you're able to do with GroovePages. And this is still in beta phase. Okay, this is not in its final form, which is amazing. As you can see here, I can navigate from different um, mobile. I can navigate to um, iPad, laptop, desktop. Okay, so very simple as well. I can go to pages here, and again, I can add pages. I can move it around, funnels here, and then I could add different things about funnels, pop-ups here, and I could create a new pop-up. And let's say, for example, let's just choose a template here. I choose a template for pop-ups. Okay, and now I can name this pop-up something. Let's just name it exit pop-up. That means every time someone tries to exit, this shows. Okay, great. And which page does this pop-up appears? Just home page. Okay, I could choose show on every visit or only on the first visit. I'll choose on show on every visit. Okay, great. Now I'm done. I could step away. What happened? Oh, I guess I have to do something. Okay, I did that. Exit pop-up, and then save and exit. Okay, there you go. So I got a pop-up ready, right? Now let's say, for example, I want to add another pop-up, and this one I want to add this pop-up because when someone clicks on it, I want this pop-up to show up, right? Maybe you want to have a button on your page, and when someone clicks on that button, you want the pop-up to show up. Okay, it's a different type of pop-up, so it will just be like download. Okay, let's just say, for example, download, we're going to keep it as standard. Okay, meaning it's not an exit, it's not an entry, it's just standard. It's just going to pop up when someone clicks on a button. Where does it show? Maybe all pages home. Okay, we'll just keep it as home for now, and let's just choose something here. Let's choose this thing right here. Okay, and another thing I want to show you here that's pretty cool. Let's say you see how this is an iPhone right here, right? Well, take a look at this. I can go over here, I can go and configure, and now I can choose an image to put. So let me just put this here just so I can show you. Let's select it here and let's update. Ah, that's cool, right? That's pretty cool, right? So I can update dimensions. I can move it around a little bit. Let's see, got different stuff going on here. Right now, it doesn't, like when you choose something, it doesn't fully show it on the canvas, but they're working on it, so it's going to show on the canvas, but it looks very promising. So now, as you see, I had this, I just put a page, picture in front of it, and now this showed up, and all this stuff is there. Great, right? Let's just save and exit. Now, let's say, for example, I want to configure this button to show that pop-out. I just click on this button, I go on configure, text button, link to pop-up, okay? And let's just click on download. Okay, so someone, they want to download something, they click on that, okay? And we want, when they click on it, it's going to link to a pop-up. We click on pop-up, and now this is going to, you get to decide which pop-up do you want to show. Remember, we created the exit pop-up, and we also created the download pop-up, but we want this to be download, so we click on download, we click on update, and just right away this shows up right away. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this, and we're going to preview this and see if this works the way we want it to work. Okay, so we go over here to click on preview, and as you can see, this is the preview, and this page looks amazing. Wow. Okay, this page looks really good. So as you see, I tried to exit and this page just showed up, and this, remember, we created that exit pop-up, so this page showed up. So I do this now. For example, if I click on download, the way we configured the download page should show up with my picture. Let's see if it works. Ah, isn't that amazing? It looks so cool. I'm so excited. This is why I'm so excited about GroovePages, and why you should be excited about GroovePages, and take the opportunity to get the lifetime option, so you don't have to keep paying monthly for these other landing page software. So as you can see, everything else is normal as planned, as you know. So let's just do this. Let's go over here and let's click on yoga, and if it goes to yoga, okay, it doesn't, maybe because we have to configure something here. So let's go back here, and okay, okay, so we have to configure, I think. Let's pages to exclude. Let's see here. Okay, so pages is over here, health page is already there. So I want to see if this works. Okay, so everything else works. I just have to figure that out. At this time, I haven't figured it out. But if you really want me to show you, then put it down below and I can show it to you. Okay, now design. Okay, so that shows the footers. Okay, and let's just shoot edit settings. We can edit settings here, and in the edit settings we can do so many different things. This is like, we could name the name of the page, we could do the title of the page, also we could add keywords. This is like the SEO metadata over here. So far pretty cool. Okay, so that's the functionality of GroovePages, and like I mentioned, it's amazing, right? Like I mentioned, it's gonna go crazy. It's literally going to change the whole online marketing industry. I believe this is going to be the next big thing. This is going to change everything else, because right now, for myself, I'm paying for ClickFunnels $297 per month. That's around $3,000 per year. Then I'm paying for Vimeo, then I'm paying for Active Campaign, then I'm paying for Aweber. So I'm paying for so many things. What Groovefunnels and GroovePages, they allow me to do is have everything under the same page. I mean, under the same software. Okay, that's why for me it was a no-brainer. I upgraded to the lifetime plan and I have everything over here. Let's take a look at what they offer. And as you can take a look at it as a comparison, ClickFunnels, the 2029 $297 plan comes out to 3,500. Samcar 2,300. Active Campaign, they have all this stuff. So they compare everything, okay? So ClickFunnels to GroovePages, okay? And already, as you see in GroovePages, so many features that you know outperforms ClickFunnels in beta. So imagine when it goes crazy. Samcart, they have GrooveSell, that's comparing GrooveSell. Tap Affiliate, they have Groove Affiliate. Active Campaign, they have GrooveMail. Kajabi, Groove Member. This is where you can upload your courses, your videos for your members. Vimeo, they have Groove Video. Shopify, if you're going to sell e-commerce, they have inside GrooveCart. Go to Webinar, if you're going to host webinars, they have Groove Webinar Live. Ever Webinar, they have Groove Webinars Automated. And by the way, guys, the creator, Mike Filsaime, co-founder, he was actually the co-founder, one of the co-founders of EverWebinar and Webinar Jam. So he knows what he's doing here. Okay, this guy has been in the business for 18 years, so he knows what he's doing. So StreamYard, all this kind of stuff. You see, if you get all of this stuff, it adds up to $17,506. But you over here, if you take the lifetime option right now, you only pay $1,300. Well, $1,400, and they have so many different pricing options as well. You can even get started by paying $0. And this is going to be the next big thing. It's going to destroy everything else in the market. I truly believe that as soon as it becomes in full force and its full form comes out. And because already it's so promising, already has so much going on, and so many people have jumped on. Like they have yesterday, at the time of recording, yesterday they had their first $1 million day. What that means is that so many people have just switched to Groovefunnels. It's insane because they see the potential. Okay, so what the potential is that instead of having to pay a monthly fee for all these other softwares with Groovefunnels, and this is what it made it a no-brainer for me, is I'm getting all of that by paying only a one-time fee. Only a one-time fee. And the reason why they're doing a one-time fee because it's in beta, so they can't charge us per month. So one-time fee, and we charge beta, we help them improve, and then we get it for life. And so it's a no-brainer. We save thousands of dollars, especially if we're going to do anything online. This is irresistible. Plus, and what I really love about them as well is they have a what do you call the they have a affiliate program which basically makes them even better. They have a two-tier affiliate program. So 40% when you upgrade to the platinum, which is the lifetime platinum one-time fee, like I mentioned, you get 40% recurring. That means for every person that signs up under you, you get 40% recurring. So when they start rolling it out and people are paying $300 per month, you're going to get $120 per month for every person that signs up under you. And I'm going to show you how you can do that, okay? And then there's a two-tier. So when the person you sign up, if they sign someone up, then you're going to get 10% of the commission of the second person. Okay, so it's really exciting. This is what really sold me up to Groovefunnels and GroovePages, and it's so promising. And that's why I got the platinum package right away, and I'm recommending you get it as well. And if you do, I have a bunch of bonuses for you, which I'll put down in the link below. That if you upgrade to the platinum using my link, then I'm going to not only help you, pay for, I'm going to help you promote Groovefunnels, but I'm also going to give you other bonuses as well to start helping promoting in your affiliate marketing business, and even developing your business and the online whatever you're doing. Okay, so you can go ahead and discover how you're going to do that. I have a link down below, the extra bonuses that I'm going to provide, along with so many already the benefits that you're going to get just by signing up to the platinum and paying the one-time fee, right? You're saving so much money. You're getting all of this, and you're saving so much money. And I showed you the functionality of just one GroovePages. If all this did was eliminate ClickFunnels, which is 3,000 a year, then already you won, right? I won already. GroovePages already is doing really great. Eventually, it's gonna be a no-brainer why they're gonna be so much better than ClickFunnels. And then, like, I just saved so much money per year by upgrading to the lifetime offer and just by paying one time. So it's a smart thing to do. That's what I would recommend. It's up to you. I'll leave links to both ClickFunnels as well as GrooveFunnels as well. But when you upgrade to the Platinum, you get all these benefits that I mentioned here, everything over here. This is what you get for Groove Platinum when you upgrade to the Platinum, as well as you'll be eligible for my bonuses as well. And I'll share with you how I'm promoting it and how you can earn money as well, aside from just YouTube. Okay. So again, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about GrooveFunnels, GroovePages. Let me know if you want to you want me to make other videos about different things about GrooveFunnels, as well as subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about online marketing and making money online, and helping you get your financial freedom. Okay, much love. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to be talking about Groove Sale and Groove Affiliate. See you soon. Peace.